Hey guys, so I got this YSL Crocodile-Embossed pouch bag from Neiman Marcus, and it was a little bit of a splurge, I will say, but I wanted to get a nice clutch that I can use like when I'm going out at night and I don't want to take like a big purse or anything. So I was going to a wedding and I thought that this would be the best opportunity for me to buy something that I can use going forward. And look at this bag. It is so nice. It is really thin, so it looks like you wouldn't really be able to fit much in it because it's a envelope flat bag and it has a magnetic enclosure. But I was really surprised that I was able to fit quite a few things in here because it really does kind of expand out a bit. And they have this wonderful bag that you can use to store it. Nice dust bag with the logo. So I just love this bag. I love the crocodile texture to it, the magnetic closure. It worked out so well. So let me know your thoughts on this bag or any YSL bags that you like.